Hey guys, WeatherWheelHVAC here. Today I decided to make a quick video on this Gibson slumber line that I got a while back, because I'm probably not going to have it much longer. So I figured I'd make a quick video of it. This thing's probably going to be going to HVAC explorations of Georgia soon, hopefully. I'll be shipping it out and giving it to him, because his area is not really... vintage units don't really go for sale that often in his area, so I figured I'd give him this one. So we're going to take off the grill so I can show you all the data off of it. I can actually get it off. There we go. Alright. There we go. Put the grill over here. See, it's your typical Gibson grill, basically. Alright, let's see if you can really see the data. Yep, there's your model number up there, AL06A6ENBA. 115 volts, 60 hertz, of course, because we're in America. 20 ounces of R22. 8.1 EER, not bad. 5,900 BTUs, 730 watts. February of 1983. All right. Well, it's basically all the... I guess while I have the grill off, I might as well show you all the air sweep function. So, put it on fan only. This is low fan. It's a very quiet air conditioner. You see the air sweep moving back and forth. Pretty good. Alright, I'll go slap this grill back on in a minute here. First, I'll show you all, just do a quick walk around back here. Here's the back of it. Pretty standard Gibson air conditioner from the era, I would say. Alright, let me go get this grill on and we'll do a full-fledged fire up, I guess. Alright, before I fire up the compressor, I might as well show you all what this thing, like the fan speeds real quick. So we'll start with low fan. Or sleep setting. I see the fan in there. This one has a match sheet of rotary compressor, by the way. Those who wonder, what is it? It's not a Fasco, I think it's an Emerson motor in this one. Mine has a Fasco, just chilling right there. Here's medium. And high. Put it back on low and shut it off. Alright, well, I have to warm up the thermostat on this thing before I start it up because it's kind of cold right now. So, yeah, I'll warm up the thermostat and we'll be back. Alright, I got the thermostat all warmed up. We'll fire it up on low cool. Here we go. That was a cold start. As the old massive does the old Matsushita, I don't even know what to call it, vibration, I don't know. That's what every single one of those compressors does. Put this back on, I forgot to put it back on. Keep it hand tight just so I can take it apart. Sounds pretty good. Alright, so medium cool. And high cool. Put it back on low. Beautiful. Thing runs perfectly. It's quiet as hell too. Lives up to its name, SlumberMaster. Oh. Let's see what we're getting out of it so far. Oh yeah, already a 20-degree difference. It's only getting colder. Just try to bring the vents down a little further so I can get in there. Yeah, let me turn this. Hasn't been on for even 5 minutes and it's a cold start. It's already blown in the 50s, 40s now. Yeah, I'd say this thing runs good. We'll check up on it in a minute. If the depends if the compressor kicks off or not. We'll see. We'll see if it kicks off or not. All right, it's been running for a little bit. Look at that. It's dropping into the 30s. There it is. That started to drop into the 30-degree mark. It's like 70-ish in here, so that's like a, what is that? 40-degree split, I guess, nearly. Actually, I should say it's more like 68, so 30-ish, I'd say. It's running smoothly. Once it settles down, it runs very smooth. So like if you have this running like all night, it's just gonna be smooth because it only really rattles like that when you first start it up, since like, you know, when you first fire it for like the day or something for like 5 minutes or so, then it chills out. I haven't started this thing up in like 2 weeks, so. Oh, there goes the compressor. I guess we'll shut it down then. All right. I think this pretty much concludes my this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Hear the refrigerant noises too.